Hey guys, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. Today I'm going to do a recap on our stress-free Thanksgiving dinner. All the things we've discussed so far. On Friday, I defrosted the turkey. It's a 13-pound turkey. It's in the oven right now. Then on Sunday, I made the pies. Here's our sweet potato pie. I did a video on that. And then here's the pecan pie. And guys, I can't tell you enough how important it is to plan out your dinner parties, Thanksgiving dinners, Christmas dinners, any dinner party, because you want to be able to enjoy your guests. And I've been able to enjoy my guests all day. They're here, and all we have to do after the turkey gets out of the oven, put the side dishes in. For about 35-45 minutes we've been chatting. So this is planning ahead and prepping ahead does help you have a stress-free holiday, okay? Here's that pecan pie. Doesn't look good? Look. It looks delicious.
Yummy.
And my nephew and my niece, they've helped in the kitchen with me today. And let's see, they're just chilling out over here. They had a nice ride, so let them chill out. I'm chilling, so that's what it's all about, having a stress-free holiday. So you see in my pans, I already cornbread dressing, done. Okay, so we're just gonna check it out, make sure everything's in order. So the dressing is done. I just have to garnish it. I'm going to put it in the oven, garnish it with some paprika. I always like to top my dishes off with a little paprika. Smells amazing.
Yes, it does.
So we have that. And I got collard greens. I got some from my garden. They're not all ready. So I mixed them. Some came from the garden. Some came from the grocery store. They're delicious. And then I took another day and I just made my stocks. Made my smoked turkey wing stock. And cooked the greens in there. And so then they're going to go in the oven. See that? Everything looks good. I'm about to drop stuff. So do an inventory before everything goes in the oven. Make sure everything's good. I can't wait to get into these pies. See, a Thanksgiving dinner is so labor intensive, so as much as you can do ahead of time, do that. I made the gravy. It's already in the pot. Just gotta heat that up. Don't forget the gravy. The only thing I made from scratch today was our mac and cheese. Put the turkey in. Here's our mac and cheese. I got 2 pans. I was able to make 2 pans of this. Got my dinner rolls and our homemade cornbread muffins already in the pan, ready to go. It's all about making Thanksgiving fun. A lot of older adults say, well, they don't want to do all that cooking. They feel, it's too old, too much for them. You have to do things in stages, break it down into different days. You don't have to do everything all the same day. Okay, go on and have your cranberry sauce already in the bowl. ready to go. Needs to be getting chilled anyway, so. And then hubby made his famous, he normally does the turkey, but this year I'm doing the turkey. He normally fries it or does it now. But he makes the cutest, the most tasty deviled eggs. So here we got these deviled eggs right here. So we're good. We're just going to keep it traditional this year. You know, just easy breezy, all right? So, this is my niece here, Miss Kiana. I'm excited. It's been a joy having them here. So, that's what this is all for. So we can enjoy each other and fellowship with each other and catch up with each other. Everett, you want to stop by?
It smells so good, you guys. I'm so excited.
And here is our nephew. Here's my nephew, Everett. And throughout the years on my videos, I'll say, well, my nephew, I always say, when my nephew was here, we did this. This is he. And this is his wife. All right, so we're having a good time here. So this concludes our stress-free holiday entertaining series. All right? Thank you so much, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. See you in my next video. And check out the rest of my videos in my playlist down below. Okay. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye.
Okay, family, I forgot to show you guys the turkey. It was in the oven. I cooked it in one of these turkey cook bags. It's doing well. The bag was, the capacity was a 10-pound turkey. I have a 13-pound turkey in there. So the bag did split, but it's cooking nicely. I injected it with Tony Chachere's Creole butter, and I tasted some of the sauce. It's delicious. Take the temperature in the thickest part of the thigh. Right now, it's 160, and the breast is cooked. It's 170. And so I have onions and celery and carrots in here as well. So I'm gonna stick it back in the oven for a few more minutes, and that's it. Let's see. I can't let you guys see it yet. I'll show you guys a picture when it's all done, but that's what's going on here and at Tanya's Tasteful Table. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.